Hi everyone and welcome back to Sewing Adventures, a channel all about sewing. So today we are going to be looking at sewing machines and buying it from the comfort of your own home, spending that dollar. So this video is all about buying and spending money, but reasonably, and I just kind of want to show you where I bought my sewing machine from and where you can buy your sewing machine from. And it's all about making it easy, especially if you don't know what sewing machine to buy or what website to trust. So here is a section of the sewing machines, and they usually have it from low to high, and they always have good discount. For example, this is a huge saving and I think it's a good deal, for example, but again, it's $250 and you don't really want to be spending that much money, if I'm honest. Something that I love about this sewing machine is the back stitch is automatic, so that makes it a lot easier. And then you have the needle threader, which is also really good, and you have a lot of different stitches, which again, it helps in the long run. So I'm currently in Argos and I bought my sewing machine, the Brother LS14S, for £80. It's still the same price, and I bought accessories for it. So if you haven't seen the accessories that I bought quite cheaply, go and make sure and check it out right there. And moving on, you have other ones, Singer, and they go up in price. I think my sewing machine is really good just because it's basic. It has just the basic stitches, and it's actually well built for the amount. So Hobbycraft is well known in the UK. I haven't personally bought from there, so I don't know the experience of buying in that site. So we've got beginners, mechanical, computerized, electronic, embroidery, overlockers. I would looking in a price range between 75 and 110 if you're a beginner, because perhaps these ones over here are more into a junior level. As you can see, it got safety and it's potentially for someone who's just starting, but maybe as a toy rather than an actual sewing machine. Again, this is just my opinion, but I would definitely recommend going to perhaps spending that range of money, 75 to 100, and getting a good beginner sewing machine. If we go to Amazon, you can see over here, same sewing machine that I have, their prices drop. So if you constantly see it, it can drop as low as 64. I've seen it before. So just make sure you keep an eye on it, And obviously, Amazon is a huge retailer and they can do those price drops that no one else can. And my friend bought her machine, this machine, from Amazon, so I also can trust Amazon. Now, the big question, can I buy a used sewing machine? The answer is yes, you can. But if you're a beginner and you don't know what you're looking for and you can't test a sewing machine, there is a bigger risk involved. So I would personally, if you're starting, I will buy something new. But if you go through the route of buying something secondhand, which there's no problem whatsoever, I would recommend doing the basics. So making sure that the back stitch work, making sure that you can make a good stitch, and all the functions that it comes with and all the accessories are there. And if they're not, why are they not there? So there's more questions. And if you're a beginner, just make sure you are better informed.